Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of tenders and why participating in them is a game changer for any organization. We'll also talk about how TendersOnTime can streamline this process for you. If you're a business owner or supplier, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, why should you participate in tenders? Supplying to the government through the tendering process is crucial for several reasons. First, it mitigates the risks associated with economic slowdowns and helps boost both your top and bottom lines. Did you know that governments across the globe spend about 15% of their GDP through public procurement? According to the IMF 2022 estimates, this translates to a staggering $24.22 trillion USD in the global public procurement market. These opportunities are not only massive in volume, but are also genuine, time-bound, and pre-budgeted. On the other hand, supplying to the private sector often comes with challenges like lack of genuineness, delayed payments, favoritism, and budget constraints. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer. Until next time, happy tendering.